This is a video on how you can earn money through Facebook app. Not anyone can participate in this study. This is how it works. Facebook will run ads about study on its platform or anywhere else. Those who click on the ad will provide details about themselves that will determine if they are selected. You don't even need a Facebook account for this. If you are selected, you will receive an invite to download the app. If you are not sent an invite, it won't work. The company is working with aboutt. Aboutt is handling some of the logistics of the program. You will get paid for data on how you use your phone apps. Facebook is using this to improve its products. You are welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. This is the app here, Study from Facebook. Welcome to Study from Facebook, a program that rewards participants for sharing information about how they use apps. This helps to build better products for Facebook and the community. About study, insights from this program help to learn which apps people value and how they are used. That way, they can build better products for Facebook and the community. How it works is that you get rewarded for sharing how you use apps. The study app doesn't collect user IDs, passwords, or content people share, including messages or ad content. This program helps build better products for the Facebook community. They don't sell your data from this app to third parties. This is the app. Study from Facebook. You download it from the store. You get rewarded by earning rewards for sharing how you use apps. This will help them to improve. This program helps to build better products for Facebook and the community. This is how it works. Participants who have been invited to the program install the study app, give them permission, and then use their phone as usual. All registered participants have agreed to share their app's usage data with Facebook and are rewarded for taking part in the program. They will explain how to participate during registration before participants accept the terms of study from Facebook. What info does the study app collect? These are the information the study app collects. Through the study app, they collect and analyze participants' apps. This includes info about the apps installed on participants' phones, the time participants spend using the apps, their country, the device, the network type, career and language settings. Features participants use in certain apps like home screen or support. The names of service providers displayed in your apps like advertising networks. So how does Facebook use this information? They gain insights using data from groups of participants for business and product research. Information from participants help to learn which apps people value and how they are used. They will be able to better understand the community to improve products and services. The study app doesn't collect your user IDs, your passwords, or content people share, including messages or ad content. You won't share your data from this app to third parties. This is the study app from Facebook. Still continuing, Facebook don't add the app's usage data they collect through your participation in the study program to accounts on other Facebook company products. Your app's usage data will not be used to personalize your experience, including to provide and improve ads for you and others on Facebook company products. However, information you provided to Facebook viewpoints on Facebook, such as your age, country, and gender, may be used to personalize your experience, including to provide and improve ads for you and others on Facebook company products. This is the app, the Facebook Study app. download it from the store. A study from Facebook shows that the social media company wants to learn how people use mobile app. Participants will be paid for agreeing to share their app usage data, such as what apps are installed on the phone, how much time the user spends using these apps, and what devices are being used. So, to enjoy this offer, you have to click on the ads, provide your details. This will determine if you are selected. When you are selected, you will receive an invite to download the app and get started. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.